Hello, this is BKC and welcome back to my channel. Obviously today's video is going to be a voiceover and I will be showing you how I do my bleached brows. So I didn't really show what I'm doing at all, but I took 1 part of bleach powder and 2 parts of cream developer. You really only need a little bit of the mixture. The little amount that I thought I would need is actually I used too much, so yeah, just you only really need a little bit since it's going to be on your brows. And you want to use a low developer. You don't want to use like 40, you want to use like 5 or 10 so that you don't burn your face. So I've already washed all my makeup off, and yeah, you want to start without anything on your face. So now I'm using a quite stiff brush to apply the mixture onto my brows. Now I am taking a spoolie and dipping it into the mixture and just brushing my brow hairs to make sure that everything is covered. Now I'm just wiping off some of the bleach that got onto areas of my skin that it doesn't need to be. Now I am taking some plastic wrap and putting it onto my brows. I am gonna look a little bit dumb for about 15 minutes and then I will be back and we'll see how my brows look. So it's been 15 minutes and I already know that I do this 2 times. I bleach my brows 2 times, once for 15 minutes and then again for 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, I'm just wiping off the rest of the bleach from my brows. I'm not really sure if you can tell on camera, but in what I could see in real life, I noticed that some of my hairs were still black. I guess I missed some. Now I will be repeating the whole process, but this time I'm only going to leave on the bleach in my brows for 5 minutes. And now I'm back. My brows are a little lighter, as you can tell. I washed my face again and now I'm going to use the Lancome Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I am also going to use the Dermalogica eye cream. As you can see, my brows are more lighter and I'm sorry I didn't get a before video or picture. It slipped my mind. But that is all for today. So yeah, thank you for watching. This video was a short one, thank God. Usually my videos are so long, I don't know why. But yeah, thank you for watching if you made it this far. Bye!